Looking for a reliable replacement for your GM vehicle's radio antenna bezel? The ACDelco GM Original Equipment Radio Antenna Bezel offers exactly what you need: quality, durability, and a perfect fit. Designed specifically to match your vehicle's original factory part, it ensures your antenna stays secure and performs just like new. These antenna bezels are manufactured to meet GM's original equipment specifications, guaranteeing the same fit, form, and function as the part that came with your vehicle. That means no guesswork, no modifications, just a straightforward replacement that restores your car's radio antenna to peak condition. What sets this part apart is its sturdy construction. It's built to last, resisting wear and tear while maintaining a tight seal between the antenna and its base. That durability translates into fewer replacements over time, saving you hassle and money down the road. Customers across the United States have praised the ACDelco antenna bezel for its exact fit and quality. One user shared how the product fit perfectly and was easy to install, matching the original part without compromise. Another highlighted the added rubber gasket, which provides a tighter seal than the factory version, enhancing performance and protection. If you've ever dealt with antenna damage from car washes or rough weather, this replacement part is worth considering. It not only restores your radio's reception but also reinforces the antenna's mounting for better stability. That means clearer signals and fewer interruptions during your drive. Choosing ACDelco means trusting a GM recommended component designed specifically for your vehicle. You get peace of mind knowing you're installing a part that meets the highest standards for reliability and longevity. It's a straightforward solution that keeps your GM vehicle running smoothly. If that's you, someone who values quality and a precise fit, this antenna bezel is a smart choice. It's easy to order, quick to install, and backed by positive feedback from drivers who've experienced the difference firsthand. Try the ACDelco GM Original Equipment Radio Antenna Bezel when you're ready to replace your worn or damaged part. It's a small upgrade that delivers lasting benefits, keeping your radio antenna secure and your driving experience uninterrupted.